I'm working on the build for my propane burner for my Foundry. These are the parts that I have. I've done a couple of different tests to make sure that I can burn and that it works effectively. The burner itself is this longer tube. This is the flare at the end. I'm not sure that I'll be using this or not. I'll have to wait until I get the Foundry assembled. It is quite large at the bottom, so I'm not sure if it'll fit or not, or if I just need to have the plain end of the iron pipe that I have. This end is the Venturi, and you can see that I've got a hole drilled through it so that I can put the assembly inside. And I'm just going to walk through the different pieces that I have for my burner. This is the end cap. This is the very end of the assembly. This is a 1/4 inch iron pipe. This is a piece of a ski pole that I cut off, and I milled. The arrow points the direction of the gas flow so that I can put it together correctly. It does have a little notch, if you can see there, because the iron pipe for the Venturi does have a notch on it. This is the middle portion, and into this goes the brass plug. You can see, I hope, I've drilled a hole in the top of this brass plug. This is a number 60 hole. It's about as small of a drill bit as you can find. I had to go to a couple of different stores. I found it at a woodworking shop, and I was able to drill the hole. I bought a spare just in case, and I might be using that too. This is the other side of the spacer that I'll be using. The other side of the iron pipe, and an angle that I'll be using. This threads onto the whole assembly, then it's threaded at the end, and then I have this coupler that makes it so that it can go onto the hose that comes from my propane tank. So I'm going to start with the assembly. I've got some pipe thread material here that I'll be using to put the whole thing together, and then we'll burn it.